Did you hear that sound?
Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, we found...
Seriously? You're gonna buy that doll? It looks weird.
Nah, I think it's kind of cute.
You know, I don't understand why you decided to buy that doll.
It's decorative item, it's not gonna do anything.
I don't know, it is giving me some strange feelings. Feels like it's staring at me. Can't you just put it away?
You're overreacting. It's a doll. I'm using it for the vlog.
Did you hear that sound?
What sound?
A voice that was very creepy. I think it was the doll.
You are imagining things.
You don't believe me? I'm being serious. Now, do you believe me? I feel like something is about to happen.
Let's go find it. I still don't believe in ghosts.
So uncomfortable right now.
Seriously, you're so annoying. Like, go to your room. Checked every room in the house, except that one.
I haven't checked that one either. Seriously? You're so childish. I'm gonna get you for this.
Oh, come on.